Vice President, Madam Deputy High Commissioner, international educational development and our collegial non-governmental organizations have been raising the serious political crises in Iraq for many years in written and oral statements. We warned of the rise of Sunni and Shia militias, a disintegration of Iraq into ethnic, religious, and interest areas, and noted that relatively few groups actually bought into the, quote, official, unquote, government. The international community can in no way act surprised by the events since January 2014. We note that many states simply put their own political agendas first, with seemingly no concern whatsoever for the many lives lost or ruined, the growing numbers of disappearances, incidents of torture in government prisons, and the mass exodus of hundreds of thousands of Iraqis, especially the Assyrian Christians. While we welcome Council Resolution S-22/1 and the report, it is our sincere hope that this is not too little and too late for the peoples of Iraq. As it should, the report covers not only the atrocities committed by ISIL, but also those committed by the government authorities. There must be accountability for all human rights and humanitarian law violations, regardless of the perpetrators. Improving the situation in Iraq will take a sincere, committed, and non-ideological approach. Outside interests will have to subside in favor of genuine concern for all the Iraqi people. Those groups traditionally hostile to each other must overcome this if there is even to be an Iraq. In conclusion, we agree with General Petraeus that the Shia militias pose a greater threat to Iraq than ISIL, and the international community as a whole must address this. The Council must continue to monitor the situation. Thank you, Mr. Vice President, Madam Deputy High Commissioner.